And today we're going to talk about a browser automation using Ruby. So this video is especially for those who are looking to do some automation stuff in Mac, especially for Mac. So I tried to install this Chrome driver. So unfortunately it wasn't working properly. So I had to spend like 2 days figuring out what's the problem, but still I wasn't I wasn't able to figure it out. So I went to Firefox WebDriver. So I'm gonna teach you how to install the Firefox WebDriver and do some stuff in it. So first of all, we need to install the WebDriver. So let's go to Google. Oh, sorry, let's visit Firefox itself. So let's maximize it. Yeah, cool. DuckDuckGo. Just type gecko WebDriver. Yeah, just visit this GitHub page. Here you can see gecko drivers, which basically made for Firefox. So choose the Mac one. I'm using Mac, so click on it. So you'll have a tar or whatever the file extension. Click man. Yep. Save the file. It's downloading it. It's downloaded. So open it. Go to downloads. Yeah, let's extract it. Yep. Here we have the Unix executable file, and we have to paste this file in the Ruby executable path. Let's visit that. Let's copy first of all. Let's copy this and click on go here top on the menu bar. Just click on this go to folder and type the path. If it's not autocomplete, just let's go with this user slash local slash bin. Yeah, here let's command V. Yeah, it's pasted somewhere. Yeah, here gecko driver Unix executable. Yeah, let's close this. So we are done with Chrome drive, sorry, Firefox WebDriver. So let's deal with the gem we are going to use for this tutorial. The gem we are using here is Watir. Yeah, so let's install it. Let's open the terminal. I use Hyper. It has some amazing plugins, cool themes. Yeah, so let's install the gem. Let's type gem install Watir. As I've already installed it, I'm not gonna install it again. So just to verify it's properly installed, let's visit the Ruby console just by typing IRB. Let's say require Watir. Yeah, it returns true. So let's exit out of this. Oh, what the hell, man? Exit. Clear. Let's close this for a second. So let's open text editor, whichever you like. You can use TextMate, Atom, text edit, whatever you want. Yeah, let's save this file as automate. Okay, let's give a simple name, demo.rb. Let's save it on the desktop. Yeah, you can see here the Ruby file. Let's write the script. So let's require the gem, require Watir. So what I'm going to do today, Watir. Then let's create a variable, browser, Watir colon browser dot new. Let's say Firefox. It opens the Firefox browser. So now let's tell the browser to visit to any website. Go to let's say www.fb.com. Let's wait for 2 seconds so that the browser loads everything, all of the files which it needs. Let's save this. Yeah, let's open the terminal right now. So let's change directory to desktop. Let's run the Ruby file demo.rb. Yeah, see, as you can see, it's running. Yeah, it's waiting for 2 seconds. Yeah, it's open the facebook.com page. So this was a quick demonstration of how to use Watir gem for browser automation in Ruby on Mac. So thanks for watching. See you soon.